This is funny because we've got a working bee today with the cattle yards. I love it when we can get stuff done, and the gates are just blowing shut, right? And so the horses are just staying on this side, even though all the Brumbies and Ruby can get across the creek, and they're really curious in what we're doing. They were standing over, they're following us up and down. And he was peeping at me. So they're looking good, they're putting on weight, but we can set up the cattle yards. That would be fantastic. It'll save me a fortune in feed because I can lock Cleo and Penny and Arthur in. Hello, so they can feed. See, they can get through. Hi, Arthur MacArthur. Hi, am I your favourite human? Oh, you're my favourite buckskin boy. Yes, you are. You need to put on weight, don't you? He's my good boy. Hey, show everybody how you're going. Yeah, you're putting on a bit more weight again. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, and we'll be able to put you in. I can lock them in the horse yards, actually, cattle yards, horse yards, and with water and their feed, so they can eat without the other horses getting them. Yeah, look at you. He looks so healthy. From a distance, he was so shiny. And then we're going to have a little look at the. It's been good because they're locked over this side. Well, they're not really. The older horses are. They won't go through the creek. They've been eating more of this hay. This hay's lasted really well. It smells beautiful. No mould. And it's rained on it. This is why I like oaten hay. Because if that had been... Hi, matey. What am I doing? Hi. You're the herd leader? You want to tell everybody what you do when I get cranky at you? When I shoo him off, it's really funny. He'll go and, you know, when he's crowding me or pushing in on the old horses and I tell him to go away, he then, it's hard, I need someone else to video because he then runs off and does little kicks and stuff to show all the other horses, look, she might be stronger than me, but I'm still stronger than all of you. Pretty much like what he's, like a more extreme version of what he's doing now. It's like he just wants to show everybody, look, this human might be herd leader, but I'm second in charge. Hi, my girl. Hello. I've been seriously thinking of rehoming them because I know I've got too many horses. It's just that Queensland's now in drought. I know. See, there's other things happening, like Banjo's there. Yeah, I just want to show you Arthur. Look. It's so hard to capture all the herd movement. Don't think, yeah, you can talk to me, you can approach me. I've got Banjo over here on this side of me. Just watch it. Don't think you can do that. Don't get cheeky. Don't think you can bite. You can lick. Yeah, that's better. You bite, you get a smack. Anyway, yeah, you're not pushing me away. I just need to make it clear to him. I need to, hang on, I just need to shoo him off. Come on, move, come on, move. Yeah, because I want to walk over to these other horses and I don't want him to think that he's pushing me off. Do you know what I mean? Because the way he was approaching me and walking towards me, if I then walk off, he's going to think he's stronger than me, and I need to constantly reinforce myself with him because he bit me on the head. And it was like after he did that, I can't remember when it was a while ago, and I just had to really reinforce with him. And Ruby bit my thumb, so with them I've had to really reinforce they get reinforced that, sorry, I got a snotty nose, that I'm higher horse than them. So this has been our worry boy. He will put on weight now that we've got... Don't think he's shooing me. He shoot Arthur off. I just don't want him to think he's shooing me. It's pushing. It's... Oh, I'm not narrating it very well. Yeah, so Arthur's going to get his weight back on. Very windy. You probably can't hear me. So there's Ava. So herd hierarchy goes me, Banjo, Halo, the palomino over there, Ava, yes you, you're so cute, Cleo, who's getting on, I know, she's a good girl, then Ruby, the bay over there next to Halo, then, and that sounds like choke, she was probably from the hay. Yeah, that's a choke, that's choke. Well, it wouldn't be on the grass, it would be on the hay because it's dry. Yeah, just watch it, mate, be polite. I've got to keep them just... Yeah, that's a good boy. That's nice, that was a good way. That's a good way to approach me, I was polite. I know. Hello. You remember when I got him, he was a yearling, just watch it. He was a yearling and he would just try to bite and kick. Didn't you? And this is how we became friends, was just through this. He would lick me, just play with his lips. Play with your lips. How cute. Do you miss Patty? Do you miss Patty? Do you miss Patty? Hey? I miss Patty. Yeah. Anyway, and Penny's 30 this month, so it's pretty exciting. He's playing with his nose. Playing with your nose. Sorry, he just went to nip me. So just got an immediate correction. He didn't nip me, but he's not even allowed to even bloody try that on. Anyway, so you see, exactly, that's a perfect example. I correct him, so he has to go and show everyone else, hey, just because she's corrected me and made me move, I'm still tough. They're all moving the cattle grids in the background. It's fantastic, so happy. And we're on a COVID lockdown, but I've got medical exemptions to have certain people come and support me. Hey Penny, what's going on? We're going to have a celebration for your birthday. We're getting all excited. Penny! Oh God! It's really windy. It's really windy. Beautiful day, 27 degrees. And it's only spring, October. It's going to be a hot summer, so we're in... Oh, I know. That scared you, didn't it? I know. So she was born in the wild. Weren't you? You were born in the wild. And people call you a wild Brumby, and you're not a wild Brumby because wild Brumbies don't do this, do they? They don't sniff. Hey, you're a good girl. Yeah, I'll walk off. I want her to... I train her so that... to get... Sorry, I just thought I was being... Hey, this one's also was a wild Brumby. I don't know. It's just... I think this is the wind. Like it... I don't know how well you can hear me. But what I want to do is also having a cattle yard set up probably on a flat area, and this is a weed. Just pull these out by the roots, shake off any dirt and let them sit in the sun. I don't like using pesticides because we've got this creek is precious. It's got frogs in it, freshwater mussel which are endangered. And it feeds our town water supply. Like, we don't even let anyone swim in it if they've got sunblock on it. I want to get, when they calm down a bit, as you can see, they're all flighty. I think they think I want to do something with them, or... No, look at that. Yeah. No, go away. No, just stop it. Yeah, I know. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy, huh? Good boy. Hey. Yeah. No, I don't mind him backing off because he's been too pushy. And he just keeps approaching me since I've been in here, and it's just like, nah, just back off a bit, mate. But he's put on his weight again, which is good. And he's a good doer, but it was just, you know, we don't have enough pasture. They need to be supplemented. And we couldn't, you know, not having feed for 2 weeks and living on not enough pasture. Of course they're going to lose weight. And I told you it would take a number of weeks for them to get back on. Yeah, we can talk. We can talk. I'm not looking at him, but see, I've got my hand up. It's because I've got my hand up to film him. It's like it's... Can you see how like nervy he is? But look how windy it is, you see? I know. I moved away, didn't I, darling? I'm a good boy now. And you're following me. I know. We're still establishing our relationship. We're re-establishing it, aren't we? I know. I've been a bit confusing, haven't I? So I told you to get lost, and now I'm patting you. So see, that's because I'm approaching his face. This is such a long video. Because I can't help them. I'm very weak, so I'm driving the car. There you go, he's not just scratching. He had a bit of eczema there, it's cleared up. Just from scratching. He's growing. He's so cute. You were little when I got you, weren't you? You were a baby. You were yelling. And you were miserable. Hey? I just don't like the ears back. That's better. One ear forward, one back is polite. As I say, it's very, very windy, so... Wait! That's what Tuppy used to do. Tuppy died here. This is the ridge that she died in. And, so this, helping her strip her winter coat. I need to get to my grooming kit and I can't at the moment. I need them to get some stuff out of the storage container. See? And then I always have dirty nails. She's a good girl, this horse. She's getting on too. Well, she's in the 20s, early 20s. She needs to put on a bit more weight. She lost weight because when they didn't have the food, I eked out what I had for these guys. They went for about 5 days with no feed, which was terrible. And the feed they had for the rest of the 2 weeks just wasn't enough. So you can see she needs to put on a bit of weight. And she's a bit sunken in here. And that will get better. And yeah, I don't like that. You can see that. Oh, no, that came up all right. This is in a flood zone. So we just go through and pick these up as we're going through the paddock. You're going to help me. You're helping me. You're going to help me. You're like a girl. You're helping me. Oh, see, he's pushed her on. Don't push her on. Bugger off. Okay, I don't want him to think he's pushing me on. That's the only problem. Hi, my girl. Supery dupery windy. She can't, it's too much for her. See how they're all moving on? And I'm bothering them all. Normally it's not, it's, see, she just had poo. The stress because it's so windy, they don't know what I'm doing. Massive gust of wind. I don't even know if you can hear me. That's so. They've got no chance of